welcome to my channel. You're watching Treasures Made from Yarn, and we are attempting to do Blogtober. So now I was trying to do a video every day in the month of October. I'm now realizing that poor planning on my part or lack of time on my part. I'm on vacation all next week. I'm going to be visiting my home in Wisconsin, and I ain't just going to have a video out during the time I'm on vacation. So, well, I'll have some videos come out a couple days after I leave, but it is what it is, and you know, I tried, but that's okay. When I get back from vacation, we'll try to keep up with Vlogtober some more. I think pretty much all it is at this point is me doing more videos than 3 times a week. But that's okay. That's fine. So let's try to. Now you're going to be my work in progress Wednesday video. So it's time to show you what I have either completed or started in progress, and I started many new projects this time around, so more than I wanted to. So let's see what I got done. What I got done, because okay, I would normally have a Scrubby Sunday video this coming Sunday, but I won't. But I do have a dishcloth that's done. You probably have seen on Sunday that it wasn't started, but it wasn't finished yet. So anyway, just to let you know about Scrubby Sunday, that is, we're making dishcloths, and so a bunch of other YouTubers are making dishcloths for the AmericanStarfish.org. That was, they had reached out to Heather at Strings and Threads because she was making dishcloths, and they had reached to her to say, hey, can you make some to donate to our organization? And she said yes, and a bunch of us said yes too. So check out one of the Scrubby Sunday videos to check to see who's all participating, and check out their videos. But okay, if I remember, I'll put that also in the description, even though technically this is not Sunday. So, and okay, the only thing I got else, well no, it's not the only thing I got finished. You've seen this one. If you've seen the Scrubby Sunday video, you have seen this one too. So soon, it's not out yet, but I will have a video tutorial on how I made this. That will be coming up probably Thursday. You'll see this video. And I did also a quick tutorial on how I made this. That will be coming up. It'll be in with the video. If you've seen my Mystery Yarn Challenge unboxing, you saw some orange, some scrubby type cotton. So I'll have a video about that yarn, and in it will have the tutorial on how I made that. That should be coming out later or by the end of the week. The other thing I got finished is I got a simple hat done. Okay, so this hat, I used one of the skeins of yarn from the Mystery Yarn Challenge box, though I would not count this as part of, well, okay, this might count as part of the Mystery Yarn Challenge project, but it's only one color. So I'm making this hat for the Bumblebee Outreach, and that is run by K&K Crochet. They're looking to gather a hat from every state for their organization, and they don't have one from Wisconsin yet. And I just said I was going back to Wisconsin, which is where I'm from originally, and I was gonna mail some hats while I was visiting back home, so they would count, so that Wisconsin would count as they would get at least a hat now that came from Wisconsin. So I have that hat that's finished, and I have another hat that's a work in progress. This one's almost done. I think I got like a couple rows left. So I will send out this hat and this hat. Maybe more, but at least these two hats from where I'm going to be on vacation. So they can have Wisconsin off their list. So make sure you check out K&K Crochet to know more and learn more about the Bumblebee Outreach. Okay, let's see what else I got going on. Well, because I was going back to my hometown, I was initially thinking that I would probably get some projects done that are Christmas projects, so I get them done. So I would have to wouldn't have to worry about shipping costs because I would have them done and I would bring them up there and they would have them there. Well, that's not gonna happen. But what I usually do, what I did the last couple of years, was made some snowman for them. And I started. Okay, how long was that? I just started the base of a snowman. I might try to get this. I got a couple days left. I might try to. They don't take that long to make. I might try to get the snowman done before I leave, so I at least have one gift done. So I think I don't know if I mentioned this before. Oh yeah, I mentioned it in my Stash Down video. Stash Down 2023 video, which that is hosted by Bridget at Queen's Craft by Bridget. I said I was showing all the yarn I had left for my stash and I wasn't sure what I was going to do with this yarn. So I did. I'm holding it together with the Super Saver White for the snowman, and kind of gives it like a little shimmering snowman. So anyway, I hope to have no guarantees, but I think I'm gonna try to get this done before I have to leave. But there are many other projects I'm trying to play catch up on. Right now that you probably have seen my unboxing for the Mystery Yarn Challenge, if I haven't mentioned it yet, that is hosted by Lori at Armchair Chef. So make sure you check out her channel to get more information on that. That is, in a very small nutshell, is that it's a yarn swap. Well, actually, I don't think she paired me up with somebody, and I sent yarn from my stash out to a recipient, and then I received yarn back. So I did a video about that, what I received. I kind of hinted that I was going to make like little medallions, like little circles and little or like I've seen them called yo-yos, little circles, little medallions, and try to connect them. And I think I got this far, and I was going, I wasn't feeling it anymore. I'm not feeling this, so I kind of stopped this. I swear, I do this every time I try to start. I keep thinking, ooh, I'm gonna make some little medallions and little yo-yos, and then I get into it and I'm going, no, not feeling it. So I was not feeling this. So I set this aside and started another project. Alright, I decided to start. I was going to do a basket. We are going to make a bag. I will incorporate all of the yarns I have so far. This is what I got started. I just got the base done. The base of it started, and now we're starting a bag. I think I've enjoyed this project much more. I'll probably make it so it's like yay high. I'll just wing how high I want to make it, and then I'll put straps on it, and then I'll have like a little carry-on tote bag going on. And I think I would like this. I think I would like it. I'm not following a pattern for this. I'm just winging this tote bag, this little tote bag. If it turns out the way I like it, then I might write a pattern for this. But anyway, now I'm showing you that this is the start of my Mystery Yarn Challenge for October. I think I got other projects that I didn't go anywhere with it. One is my Fairyland hat. I don't even think I did a row or anything with this at all. So I didn't do anything with that one. I didn't have much project. Actually, I didn't do any progress on this scarf. I didn't work on that one at all. Alright. I had no progress on the t-shirt either. I didn't touch or didn't work on the t-shirt. Okay. Oh, I have a project I also started. If you mention, I'm now going back, that I made a video. In the process of making a video about this yarn. See, and there it is. That is, and I did a short tutorial on how to do this one row repeat of a dishcloth, which is this one. That's like this one. So yeah, there's going to be a video out on, this is what I was talking about. There's a video coming out on that. See, I also still have, okay, I am going to insert the picture of this because I don't know if you can see the whole thing on camera. I have the Granny Square Make Along that's running from August to December. And that is through Connie at Just Another Stitch. And that's where I learned about that make along. So I'm still several days behind on this one, but I have been slowly making my way back into working on this project. Alright. No, did I cover all the projects except for my temperature projects? I hope so. I think I got them all. Okay, temperature project. So, okay, I need. I need to do. Yep, I need to do this one. Yep, I'm for the most part caught up on. I don't know if you can see all this on there. I'll have to start inserting pictures of this project too. But now we're getting to be that time of the year where the temperatures is going to vary quite a bit. It's usually fall and spring where you can have all 4 seasons in 1 week. So I still have that going on. Yeah, it's getting to be. We're going to have a very long. This is going to be a very long scarf. But I don't think it's going to be too long. So that is that. And finally, I have my knitted temperature blanket. This is still September's. We're what, 10 days in October at least. That's when I'm recording. It's the 10th. You'll see it on the 11th. We're 10 days and I'm still trying to finish up September's, but I got like 3 days done today, but that's only because I combined a couple days on the same row. So I have 4 days left. And then I'll have September's temperature blanket ready, done. So I'm hoping to spend time on my vacation to get this project caught up. So yeah, once I get this done, I can combine it with July and August, and I can combine it with the rest of the months, which I'll have a future video to show how that's going on. But I don't know if you're kind of new here, I realize I probably have not talked much about what I'm doing on this temperature blanket. I know the year is almost all the way done, but pretty much what it is I got this calendar like 10 years ago for Christmas, and that was back in, I got it at Christmas at 2012. So 2013, rolled around, I was like, yeah, let me make a blanket. I did a year-long blanket. I mean, at that time it wasn't a temperature blanket. I was just using whatever scrap yarn I had, and I was making little squares for each day, and then sewing all them little squares around as I go as the year went along. And yeah, that was I don't know, I'm feeling like that was definitely a hectic project. And when this year started, I knew the 10-year anniversary was coming up, so I wanted to do it again. So I was trying to think, well, maybe it'd be easier to do a temperature blanket, maybe to make only do the row one repeat at a time, and make a blanket for each month. I don't know. I'm feeling like it's maybe because I'm 10 years older or something, but it's feeling like this is taking a lot of work. But I think it'll look cool when it's done, because at least this year, this blanket will represent the temperature of the year, that which also varied where I was at the time. Because like in January, I was on a cruise and it was much warmer in January. And then next week, I'm going up to Wisconsin. It'll be a little colder if I were compared to what I was going to stay here. Maybe just a little colder. So yeah, that is the temperature blanket. So I'm making one blanket per month, and then I'm attaching all those blankets together to make one huge blanket. Okay, I think that wraps up everything I have that I'm working on, which again is just way too, it's a lot. It's a lot of stuff to work on. So I think what I got planned is like I said, I'll have for Thursday this tutorial. I have this tutorial plan on coming out. I have the yarn video, plus that includes a little bit of a tutorial that is coming out Saturday. No, hold on. Okay, this is Thursday. Friday I plan, depending on how busy I am, because I gotta eventually pack for the trip and all that. I'll probably do a quick video, wrap-up video on what I plan to bring on with me on my vacation, which could potentially be everything. No, I'm not gonna bring all my projects, but I'm gonna try to plan which projects to bring, which are definitely the temperature projects and the blanket project. After that, I don't know what projects I'm going to bring. So anyway, that is way enough babbling by me. If you did like this video, please give it a like. Want to see more content like this, please subscribe to my channel. I want to thank you always for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye now.